Hello, welcome to Demo 2, Sequential Attacks on Common Filter-Based Forward Collision Warning Systems. This is a joint work by Yuzhe, Zhang, Ruizhe, Earlence, and Jerry, all from University of Wisconsin-Madison. So the forward collision warning, or briefly speaking, the FCW system is a module that you can find in most cars today. And it's a traditional control system that integrates modern machine learning techniques. However, despite being a popular system, it's not fully understood what are some potential security issues in FCW. Before we dive into the details of our demo, here's a brief introduction of how FCW works in normal scenarios. The car on the left is adopting FCW. It first uses camera and radar to measure the distance and velocity of the car in front of it. Then common filter is applied to obtain a state estimation of the front car. And finally, the state estimation is passed into some FCW alert logic to produce a warning light. In this case, there's no danger there from the FCW produces green light. In the second case, there's imminent danger there from the FCW produces red warning. So we consider attacks against the FCW system. Specifically, the attacker is able to manipulate the sensor measurements, and she is allowed to perform this manipulation sequentially over a long attack horizon until some target effect occurs. For example, here the attack starts early when the car in front of it is far away, and it lasts until the FCW produces the first red warning. And the attack effect here is that the red warning is changed to green. So next, we provide a demo with two concrete examples to show that our attack is indeed effective in practice. In the first example, there are two cars driving in the same direction. The further one is called the leading car, and the near one is a victim car that adopts FCW. The victim car is faster and gradually approaching the leading car. Here's a video when no attack happens. So the FCW produces yellow light in a long period and then outputs red warning when the leading car becomes too close. In the absence of attack, the red warning arises in time for human to react and brake to avoid collision. The attacker's goal here is to change the warning light to green when the FCW first reports the red warning, and then sustain green light until it's too late for the human driver to brake. Here's the result of the attack. So we can see that a car collision happens after our attack. In our second example, there are three cars driving in the same direction from far to close. We call these three cars the leading car, the victim car, and the trailing car. The victim car is in the middle. The leading car is faster than the victim car and is moving away. Therefore, without attack, there is no danger, and the FCW produces green light consistently. Here's a video. So the light produced by FCW is always green. So the attacker's goal here is to cause the FCW system of the victim car to output red warning. As a result, the human driver of the victim car may choose to brake suddenly, and it causes a car collision between the victim car and the trailing car. So here is the result of the attack. So a red warning is faked by the attacker, and then there's a car collision happening. So to summarize, we demonstrated that popular driver assistance system, FCW, has security issues, and an adversary can cause car collisions by sequentially changing the sensor measurements. So for more details, please check out our full paper published in this year's AAAI. Thank you.